hanging, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make nice looking thumbnails within Photopea. This is a free alternative to Photoshop, which you guys do know is pretty good. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So first of all, let me know in the comments down below if you want to do more videos on Photopea, because yeah, I probably could do them, because I want to show you guys how to do all the stuff on here, because there's a lot of things that I won't be able to fit into today's video. But yeah, without further ado, let's not waste any more of your time. I'll show you what to do. So first of all, let's get you a background. So I got a space background, and that's what I'm going to be using for this thumbnail. So I'm going to go to blending options, go to stroke, and not Uncle Ricky's type of stroke, and then go to inside. Then change to whatever color you like and whatever size you like. There's no point in changing the opacity because it just does this. So yeah, it won't even be visible. So yeah, I have it on 12, and we're using it on other things as well. So yeah, let me do something in a second, guys, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, everybody. So what you're gonna want to do next is go on the blur tool, which is right here, and then put it on 1100 as well. And then yeah, you're gonna want to press OK on resaturize, and just hold left click and blur the entire screen, so then it doesn't get in the way of your thumbnail. Next, what you can do is you can just go mess around with all this. I'll show you what to do with what all them other stuff to do in other videos. But yeah, next what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to go and get a character or whatever you want to use. Actually, I'm not gonna use Octane. I'm gonna use my character, my guy. Let's find him. Well, by the way, guys, make sure to join my Reddit. It's going to be in the description down below. Please join the Reddit. So we're going to be using my guy over here. Sorry if you hear some retards outside. They're just being annoying pricks. Going to stroke again on outside this time. And because I messed up that before, if you have these little blobs, you can obviously go to resaturize and just blur and just go on the eraser tool, I meant to say, and get rid of them. Then next, what we're going to want to do is get a Photoshop logo, which I'm going to be using for this video, because we're going to be putting an X over this, because we're not going to be using Photoshop, we're using the free one. It's weird. I'm a cheapskate. Next, we're going to want to get red X, put it over there. And yeah, next we want to get thing I use for all my thumbnails, which is these lines over here. I don't want to put it at the bottom so it doesn't block anything. Next, what we're going to want to do is get the Photopea logo for me. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting it right there. Obviously, now we're going to do the text. I got the big Burbank condensed font. I'll leave some font sites in the description if I can remember. Next, I'm going to put in what my video is going to be called. How to make good thumbnails for no photo. And then we've done that. Next, I'm going to go onto this, change it, go on to stroke again, and we're going to change this to black. I did not mean to press on inner shadow, so we can go with that. I'm going to put drop shadow on though, so it puts a little shadow in the background. I'll obviously show you guys how to curve text and stuff in the next video, but yeah. And then next I'm going to put this here, put it underneath the text. And I'm going to do the same with the 4K badge. So we're going to get the same size. Obviously this 4K badge looks weird because it's a messed up image, which I accidentally got before. And yeah, that's basically our thumbnail complete. But obviously we can chuck a couple more things in there, like some G Fuel. Some G Fuel in there. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. A G Fuel cup. Hey, G Fuel, you want to sponsor me? Yeah, just let me know. And yeah, that's basically our thumbnail. Then you want to export as PNG. And there, you're done. And yeah, that's how you make your thumbnails. I'll show you more on this in our next video if you guys want to see more Photopea videos or if this video does well. So hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and yeah, peace.